Wait, yeah, audio's going. Uh, let's see. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Nicole, good morning. Yo, everybody. Uh, Happy day after Thanksgiving. Happy Black Friday. It is, to those of you that like to make a big deal, it is now okay to put up your Christmas trees. All that, all that good stuff. Just being real with y'all. I would say don't expect too much from the market today. Honestly, only going to be here for about the first hour and a half of market open, just chilling. I'm gonna say today is like probably majority kind of just vibes kind of deal. Top of the morning, my life be like, hey, you probably want to see SoFi, right? Let's take a look. SoFi can SoFi is consolidating, and looks like it can move up, but once again, wouldn't expect too much. I want y'all to notice the volume has kind of been dropping day to day this week, or the volume is much lower. So y'all keep that in mind. Oh, I already had SoFi up, and I pulled it up again. Okay, so, hold up. See what else. Thank you. Pray you had a thank happy Thanksgiving as well, or a great Thanksgiving as well. Patrick, top of the morning, top of the morning. All right, so yeah, let me say this one more time. I'll probably have to say this more. Yo, if y'all are looking to trade today, I'm gonna say more than likely today is not today. We got a half day in the market, and volume is going to be incredibly low. So I wouldn't expect too much. And if we do get something, like say we get a crazy pullback, I'll say it's a buying opportunity. But I'll say most of it doesn't mean anything. Right now, just kind of where I'm leaning, I see we got Bitcoin kind of like pushing up. And here, let's actually pull that up. Here, we're gonna throw Bitcoin up here. All right, yeah. So we got Bitcoin pushing up. We gotta watch out for this 93K level, the 94K level. So we'll probably leave that on today. Kind of see if we can continue to hold up. As long as Bitcoin continues to hold up, I'm gonna say I'm kind of bullish. When it comes to my positions, I think I have a call on TTD. Honestly, it's not moving yet. I got a call on Meta that I think I grabbed it when Meta was around like 623. And then I have a call on Uber that is now in the money. Not quite to the target yet. Like full target would be like 90, 40 or so. But also I might consider cutting out at like $88, just depending on how I feel, depending on the momentum, depending on how fast it's moving. Like if Uber keeps moving at the pace it's moving now, I'm probably cutting out at $88. But if the day that it gets there, it decides like, oh yeah, we gonna keep jumping, I might ride it. I might ride it. All right, so BMNR has been making some recoveries as well. Let's also take some time, go down the list, see what we got going on. Once again, today is a half day. Let me get a look at the exact time the market closes. Let's see. Okay, so it closes at, oh yeah, Patrick, just you got me. Yeah, so 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, uh 12 p.m. Central Time. Do you like so I personally don't like iBit. I know a lot of people that do. I can take another look at it. I feel like the price, wait, like the range and stuff, like I would say this right here looks like good solid movement, but also doesn't seem like it's gone anywhere. Let me see like what the actual options contracts look like on iBit, so I can give you like a number or like give you a like do I actually like it? I know I haven't in the past. I can for sure tell you that. Um, Honestly, right now I don't see like any just like red flags with it. Like I don't love it, but it's nothing wrong. I think it's right now. I think every time I've ever had to look at it, I just didn't like the way the stock was moving, but I like this movement from Wednesday. I do like it. I probably wouldn't do anything here except for like maybe like it looks like it might be getting ready to like reverse. And that's something that I would look out for on Bitcoin too because there's liquidity here and then there's another area of liquidity. So that's one thing I'd look out for. But other than that, not much to say there. And this $20 lift call, I my opinion on that, I would say yeah. I would say yes on the lift call. That sounds to me that sounds like money. If you can actually like wait, like you don't even have to like wait till that expires. You can just wait till you're up a good amount on it and just cut out, do your thing. All right, so we got these hike. What are these called? The hike and ashy. I need to see how this is actually pronounced because I'm always like saying hike and ashy. It just seems weird or it just feels wrong coming out of my mouth. I don't know why. Hike and ashy sounds like I'm saying somebody is hiking and they don't really moisturize well. Okay, so I got Uber here in my vision. Here, I'm gonna switch IBIT to something else. Okay, Bitcoin's trying to push up. Yeah, we definitely got to keep an eye on that. Hey, you're very welcome, Nicole. All right, so let's run it. Let's look at the list. Let's take it from the top. Oh, I gotta click this every time. Hold up. I'm not sure if y'all can hear that, but okay. So starting at the Dixie or with the Dixie, it's actually a little up, I guess, on the day. I guess it says it's up like 11, 12 cents. So on the day, that's not good, but it looks like it came down from earlier, so that's chill. Um, Looking at the VIX, it's slightly elevated, but it is back below 20 is looking a lot better than it has most of the week. So, gotta say, not really much fear compared to what's been out there. So, we've been looking good this week. The PC, we gotta wait for the market to be open 15 minutes before this update. So, I would expect this to open probably somewhere in the 50s or like or point 0.5 or something, but we'll see what happens with that. Gold. Gold is on the rise. Like it's moving. It's trying to do its thing. But I don't know why I said but. This being on the rise, oh, makes you kind of wonder, or makes me kind of wonder, because you may not be wondering if you don't really know, but this is something that will kind of go up with uncertainty, kind of go up as people maybe rotate out of stocks, or the higher gold is, that's usually not as good for assets or stocks or whatnot. All right, let's see what else we got on here. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, yeah, those are moving up. So if they can hold the positive momentum, it's cool. Do you think we'll get a Santa rally? I think it's going to depend. So that's part of the reason I'm watching crypto so closely. I think we need to come back above this 200 moving average on crypto. And once we can like comfortably come back above that, I think we're good. Like, or if we can get above 100K, but in this area, I think we're still in range for like getting slapped back down. So I'm not too comfortable to say, yeah, we can have a Santa rally yet. Because if we look at Bitcoin on this chart right here on the top right, and I were to draw this downtrend on the daily chart, you can see we have this downtrend, and actually the value I just told you was like 100K. Really, yeah. If we anywhere up to 100K, I would say there is still room for us to get slapped back down on the market as a whole. So can't really say much. Lulu. So I don't have anything to say about it. I know, what was his name? What is his name? Michael Berry said something about Lulu today. Probably experiencing a pop right now. We're working our way down to it, so we can see. Just so y'all know, I will not be taking any trades today. I don't think it's wise to take any trades today, but I am here for support. Here, let's see. We'll take a quick look at Lulu. All right, so Lulu is up. I thought Lulu was a good buy ever since it came to this 165 level. Or thought it was at least like a good like leap trade. But I would say it could go up. That's all I would say. The next, I would say above like 187 on Lulu. Your next target's going to be like 205, and then above 205, your next target is like 227, 228. Hey, 404, top of the morning. Volume is low, can't hear you. Man, what's top of the morning, Oscar? Honestly, there's not too much I can do about the audio. That's like the only thing I can say is turn up your speakers, because yeah, everyone else can hear. I think this is my voice, this is my mic. It just is what it is. All right, so let's get this back where I can see this Bitcoin. Once again, not really expecting too much. But yeah, we got the stocks over here stocking. All right. See here, let me get back to the movement. I was looking at yeah, just kind of the movement of things and got thrown off a little bit. All right, so Uber is up. Should be in the green on that one. Let me see. I'm just not quite to the target yet, but should be up. I just want to see it real quick. How we looking on that? Oh, I guess Theta is doing this thing because I'm actually down on the Uber. Oh, down like 6%. Oh, yeah, we need Uber to go up some more. How much time do I have on that? Hold up. Guess I didn't have as much. Oh, oh, it expires in like 2 weeks. Okay. I don't know why I thought I had till January. That's why. Okay. I still think that Uber's still gonna do its thing, but I just thought I was in a better spot. TTD trying to do a little bit, but nothing crazy going on there. Let's see. AMD kind of chilling. Meta. Like I'm really not expecting anything from the market today. Okay. Google at high of day right now. Here, I'm gonna throw Google up over here real quick. That's one to watch for you people trying to day trade. Potentially. Yeah, got a little. Ah, no, volume still kind of low. Nothing crazy yet. But I got it up, so I see it. What's up with Tesla? Tesla is up $5. ARK Invest sold 27,000 shares of Tesla. Tesla surges ahead as Wall Street says rivals are nowhere close to its rapid full self-driving breakthroughs. It's improved, but it still has a ways to go, in my opinion. All right, Google's not doing anything. We're still chilling. Bitcoin is kind of, I don't know what it's doing. I think we're going to be very range bound today. I'm gonna keep reminding y'all while we're here. It's a good day to enjoy yourself, unless you got like some highly specific stock related questions. Hey Kong, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Okay, Intel on the move, kinda. Let's see. Let's tighten this range up a little bit. See what's up with that. Is there a catalyst on that? That's a solid move. Let's see. Intel faces scrutiny after Taiwan persecutors raided former TSMC. Wait, okay. Intel rides on strength of client computing group. Okay. Dominique, top of the morning. Osama, good morning. Oh yeah, Intel's moving. Hold up. Hey, we're swapping Google out for Intel. Let's see. Intel might want to do some bopping. I don't know. Okay, Robinhood hasn't done too much from, what was it, Wednesday? I'm just going to look at the market during the range of market. Oh yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm not taking any trades either. I'm just here watching and also trying to help people keep their head on their shoulder. Actually, hold up. Uber trying to move up a little bit. Should be in the green on that, right? I'm still not in the green. I'm down like 3% on it. Bro, they're being ruthless with these Uber contracts. And then Meta in the green on the Metas. Nothing crazy, but in the green on them. I may mess around and decide, hey, let me get out of those. Yeah, I might actually do that. Just let's see. Let me look at Meta. See how that's looking. Where is it? Yeah, Meta is very much like consolidating right now. Oh, that's a wide spread though. Here, let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, I took profit on the Meta call, the 695 Meta call. Sold out for 315 per share. Let me real quick alert the family. Where? Oh, here. Yeah, just because Meta's not doing anything, I don't want to just get stuck in that. Just took profit on Meta calls. Sold out for 315 per share. There we go. All right. Hey, top of the morning, Tony Math. Hey, I definitely did. I hope you did as well. All right, look at Meta trying to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn back to Bitcoin. I'm not trying to watch Meta. Meta trying to go up now. Not like seriously, but yeah, I'm out of Meta. That's free cash to do whatever. I just feel like today's gonna be ranging. I'm not kind of trying to get like faded up on that one. Yeah, Intel trying to move. We got about 3.5 minutes till this first candle closes. But yeah, I'm also like not trusting us holding this holding where we're at to the upside right now because Bitcoin's not holding either. Okay, yeah, Intel's still trying to go. What's this? Uber moving on up. Yeah, Intel going. See if they give some kind of retest. Oh, shoot, Meta trying to go too. Hold up. I'm gonna have to bring it back to Meta. I don't think Meta. I don't think it will, but also let me set a boundary. If it decides it wants to, shoot, I might. But nah, I think it could still pull back after it comes up here. You just throw an alert about right there. Come back to that. Okay, so we got Uber moving up. Eddie, top of the morning. Do I think I don't think we're gonna go anywhere. I today is a half day. Volume's gonna be low. I'm gonna be real. Today is a day you probably don't want to trade. I don't think we're gonna go crazy. We can, but like nothing is really pointing that way. Like it was looking good when Bitcoin was holding up a little bit more, and Ethereum's still holding up all right. But as of right now, I don't think so. I think we're gonna be very range bound. Like you might be able to see some stuff in certain stocks, like Intel. I don't know. Intel might do something. I don't know, but I'm not gonna chase it though. Let's see. I think to in my experience, Black Fridays and trading on them, they're usually traps, usually waste of time. I think I got like probably 6 Black Fridays under my belt. Oh yeah, today is a half day. So if you're thinking about getting zero DTEs, hey, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but don't get a zero DTE because those things like you'll blink and they'll drop like $20, and it could the whole price of the contract could have been $20. Oh, okay. Tell me I'm up on my Uber now. I better be up on my Uber. Let's see, bro, I'm still down like 1%. It's in the money too. That's what I don't understand why it's not moving. Oh, you said you oh yeah, Dominique. Oh no. Yeah, it's not the day. It is not the day. All right. So, ooh, okay, little Trump media is it's coming up. I had bought some shares of this. I'm not sure when. Like it was like recently, within the past week or so. I'm gonna check in on those. What is where what is that brokerage called that I use for that? Oh, Interactive Brokers. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm still down. I got in around that 1190 area. What's your strategy when trading around the holidays? I'm gonna be real. So around the holidays, typically things like to melt up slowly, but we've kind of done that this week. I've kind of been saying that every day this week. It's like we had a pullback, and then we were also pulled back to start the week. So my thing was like, hey, we had a pullback. Let me grab some stuff with that expires past this week, and let me have upside targets, but I don't want to pay too much for them. And if we look at the SPY and kind of what it's done this week, so from Monday, Monday we open up at 662. SPY's up $20 on the week. So it's like that is usually, or I'm not gonna say that's not usually what I do, but like now that I have seen it enough, and now that I'm like, okay, what's the best play? That is what I have formulated to be kind of the best kind of way to go, outside of just leaving it alone because there is no real volume. Like honestly, if I didn't think y'all would be here today, I wouldn't be here today. I'm strictly here today for y'all. Here to kind of answer questions and hopefully keep y'all out of some not so good decisions. Cause I would say like if you find stocks that you want long term today, that's good. But when it comes to like trading on shorter terms, even if you're trying to like swing stuff, I don't feel comfortable swinging to downside right now. But also when it comes to the upside, we kind of already got our run to the upside, so now we need clarity on what's going to happen next. So I don't know. All right, we still got Uber sliding up there. If I'm not up on this Uber now, I'm a oh yeah. Yeah, that's what we want to see. Hey, we in the green on Uber now. Let's get it. Let's get it. That's what we needed. Hey Henry, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Okay, back going down the list. Let's see. Yeah, most things are very range bound though. Let's see. Fubo under $3. Yeah, that's a pickup right there. Zoom in up here. Do you have a video on how to? I'm pretty sure I do. I think it's like I have like a really quick one. I can actually show you how to do it like right now. Wait, Tony Math, hold up. Do I know you? I think I just realized who you are. Do I Tony Math? Do I know who you are? Are you a family friend? But yeah, when it comes to doing the whole six screen thing, like if you're on TradingView, it might look like a single square, but like just like look at what's going on. Oh wait, hold up. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So look towards the top right. There's this little, if you only have one screen going, oh, okay, okay. Thought you were someone else then. Okay, cool. Yeah, because you would know. But yeah, this little square right here, you can see that there are different amounts. All right, so there, if I, it might look like this if you only have one, but you can see there for each one, there are all different sorts of layouts. So that's for 2, 3, but you do have to pay for different plans to I th- I think you need to pay for plans to be able to see more than one. If you were going to, now would be the time to do it because their Black Friday sale is like kind of crazy compared to everything else. This is the time. Like I just renewed mine like probably like 2 days, I think on Wednesday. But yeah. Yeah, it's probably the plan you're on. I think I'm on the second from the highest plan. It's like 80% off if you pay for the year right now, I believe. If it's still going. It is Black Friday, so yeah, it should still be going. What's your thoughts on the 220 Nvidia? For me, I would say that's not enough time. Um, yeah, there is nothing thinking me. Oh, you just got the premium plan today. Okay, that's weird then. If it's not working, if that didn't work for you, yeah, here I might have a video. Let me check. But I feel like the video would still be very similar to what I just said. Let me check real quick. I feel like I might have a short about it. I don't know. Like I have it in videos, but I don't see one dedicated video to it. Oh, you said you changed it but can't make them operate differently. I don't remember exactly how to do it. You might need to right click and wait. Let's see. Symbol status line. Wait. Okay, so there's one thing that comes down here and says apply to all, but I don't remember how to like separate them. So you definitely have to come in here and play around. But yeah, I don't remember exactly. Oh yeah, yeah, Patrick, Uber broke 87. Let's get it. I feel like Uber moving slow though. I feel like I was up more on Uber like on Wednesday when it was when it was at 80, 86.40. I think it's cuz it's low volume. It's like it's legit like low volume so nobody's like really it's not getting that momentum. Yeah, Tony, that's the only thing I can say. That's the only thing I can say to do cuz yeah, a lot of times I'm like, yo, what's going on? And I just gotta like keep kind of going at stuff. Hey, you said you're up 26. What am I up? I don't think I'm up 20. I'm up like 5, but I'm, hey, glad you're up 26. That's nice. You said, can I look at Google? Is it moving again? Yeah, we can look at it. Yeah, I already looked at it once. It kind of like faked out. Oh, so Google, I don't know. It's at support now. It's at an area of support. Um, I would say below about 317. It might, or actually here, let's start around like 316.15. It can move down somewhere. This is one here. We'll switch the little hiking ashy candles and uh, hold up. I got in at 2:30. Oh, cool, cool. Hold up, y'all. One second. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be back, y'all. it's like 1,000 degrees in here. Oh, look at Uber trying to go. Okay, let's see. Let me check the comments real quick. Bro, yeah, I'm gonna have to hold up. I gotta take this hoodie off. My goodness. This room is hot. Okay, yeah. That intel would have been solid. Wow. Already got in. Okay. Even even if I'm not waiting for it to actually. You want to take profit if it gets around 85. Okay, so you were talking about Nvidia. We can take a look at Nvidia real quick and I'll. All right, so 185. So you were looking at you said 220 Nvidia. That's so that would be looking for from where it is currently. We'd be looking at, let's say Nvidia's at 178 to 185. That's a $7 move. And ideally, that would be something you wanted to happen fast because the longer it takes, you're gonna lose value to theta. So let's take a look real fast. Let me see what that contract is looking like. So January 2nd. All right, so the delta on that is the contract itself is going for about 60. The delta is 6. So if it were to run up to that, like go up $7 today, this isn't exact because there's no exact way to calculate options contract movement, but 6 times 7 is like 42, I believe. So that'd be looking for a $42 gain if it were to do it today. And the contract's like 60. So if you thought that move was going to happen fast, I would be like, oh, cool. Yeah, that'd be something to go for. But just kind of where it is currently, it's not enough for me. Like just oh, here, let me go to a 4 hours on a 1 hour. Right now we got Nvidia in a downtrend. It hasn't like changed course yet. Let's see. Like it's had some fake outs. Like we got a fake out over here and kind of one over here. But Nvidia's in a downtrend. The next place I would even consider like trying to trade Nvidia to the upside is over here at like about 170. Like over here when it comes to sweep this low, this recent low it made on Tuesday. But ultimately, like just kind of looking at, I got this old trend, like it had rode this trend up. Now we have a downtrend. We never made it to the bottom of this trend, so like I'd be looking out for a 163. There might be something. I'm not sure. There might be something at this 148 level. I would imagine there's a reason it's in my chart, but that's kind of how I feel about that. Yeah, we can swap that back to Google. Wait, how's Bitcoin looking? Okay, Bitcoin's chilling. It's chilling. It's not like dying. So honestly, I don't know enough about Joby. So when I don't, I like to come to Market Dash and we can kind of look. We'll defer to what Market Dash said. Okay, so yeah, I gotta personally know more about it. For me, like whenever whenever I don't know a lot about a stock, if I were trying to say something, Look, Joby is currently trading at like 14.31. The highest analyst price target is 15. So like when I don't know about something and I'm like, oh, this one's interesting, and it's also trading below the lowest analyst price target, I'm like, oh yeah, let's go for that easy money. But right now it's above the average too. So I don't like it at this level. I've heard good things about the stock, but just for me and my knowledge, I'm gonna say I don't like it where it currently is, but I would kind of wait. He said Archer. That's ACHR. Here, let's see how they're stacking up. I've definitely heard good things about both of them. I mean, I guess, huh? I mean, there's only like one price target on there, so there's only one thing I can really say about that. I have heard good things about this though. We could also take the time to read the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats and whatnot. But it's like I'd say maybe like pause this right here if you were truly interested. Let me put this here so I don't have to hold it. Look up Rick Oxford on his Joby take and Archer. See, my only thing, the only reason I don't want to do that is because there are already so many stocks that I am looking at, and I don't have enough money to disperse between them yet. So it's like I am aware of a lot of good companies that will make a bag, and it's like honestly, like being in the position I'm in can be a little bit difficult at times because it's yo, you always got something being like thrown at you, and it's like, oh, it's hard to like not have FOMO, but it's like I just be having to get over it. Hold up, you said that's my problem too. Yeah, so it's hard like when you're starting out. It's like in the beginning, it's almost like you gotta like ride one horse, and then like once that horse like kind of like pays off, it's like, oh, you can invest in more. But it's also hard like picking the right horse and whatnot. That's the struggle. That's why you gotta like work harder in the beginning. And that's where I'm at right now. It's like I am kind of trying to spread between some horses because I'm not just throwing it all in one. I was like this year I was going pretty heavy on AMD, but AMD like kind of it's still a good deal. AMD is still a good deal. It's just not as good as what it was. But AMD is still a really good deal. Honestly, it wouldn't be if Meta wasn't down where it was. I'd still be. Actually, no. I I still see like a pullback or two possible on AMD. So I'm watching out for those. KULR up 13. Oh, let me get back to this list. I would have seen that if we always have all these detours. Oh wait, hold on, wrong. Yeah, it's having a good day. It's not anything I would. So the move with KULR for me, if I were going to do anything, I think the move was to, like, before they split, somebody had said something. I want to say it, Phil. It'll be in the chats from time to time on Fridays. We watched all this happen over here, but this was before they split. And like I had this area, this I guess it's now the $4 level as a kind of target for re-entry. So anything under here was kind of long-term buy okay for me. But now we also got this 4-hour 200 EMA here, and it's below this. So now for me with something like KULR, it's like, oh, if we get over that and I decide I still want to do it, it's still in my like buy level. So that's like cool, but yeah. Just so y'all know, today's stream is shorter. So it only got like another like 45 minutes or so. Just cuz like the way the way that the stocks move on these days, like today, Black Friday specifically, on these half days, they get crunched as well. So it's like the market is moving at 2x speed. And it's like the data burns at 2x speed. And also, it's like right now, it's like, well, we're an hour. No, not even an hour in. We're like, I guess, like 45 minutes in. But it's like we're an hour and a half in a sense. This is like almost like the Euro close kind of time. Wait, okay. Patrick, so on Uber is 87. You can call it depends on how you're looking at it. You can say it's a big resistance. It really just depends on what level you're looking at or like what time frame you're looking at. If you're looking on the day, yeah, but I got this as a 4 hour. Like I got this based on it. It may not even been the 4 hour. I think it might have been the daily that I bought Uber on. So like looking at it, yeah, this is a retest of the 200 moving average on the daily. But yeah, I still think we can get up to this about 90.47 area, or at least like 90 or so. This is the area I think we can get back to. But yeah, we are at the 200 moving average on the daily. So that is a slowdown zone. Yeah, and there's like nothing wrong with taking profit right here, honestly. Let me see how it's looking. Oh, TTD trying to slowly move today. All right, I'm up like 7% on that Uber. see. Here, I'm gonna flip the SPY back to. I'm gonna flip back to the SPY on this. SPY looks like it's trying to push the highs again. Here, I'm gonna throw Bitcoin back up here. Still looking like it's holding up. I'm saying it's top of the morning. Overslept. You said where's the bread at? Honestly, the bread is it's probably gonna be best to like not trade today. But here, let's see. You said heard you up 7%. So I took Uber. I don't even know what day I took Uber. So Uber was one that, when did I enter this? On the 20th. So oh wait, so I entered Uber like I think like last Thursday. It was like I think it can get to like 90 or so. It's my price target. Break evens at 88.75. Oh, appreciate that, M-Sense. You said TTD moving. You said which can I hop in? You can hop in whatever you want, but let me see. Let's see. I don't think TTD has really started moving yet. Like I entered TTD, I want to say on the 20th of November when it was at $39. I want to say my target is like around, like I think it, hold up, I think I got a $41 call, and I think I was like looking for like a $44 target. I just think my charts aren't synced up, so whichever one I was looking at it on might look a little different. But I think I have, let me see how much time I have. I think I have time on it though. Yeah, it expires like January 16th. So it's like I'm not really rushing that too much. So it can move. But yeah, definitely not getting any like day trades or anything. Said I posted on the 21st. Appreciate that. Yeah, TTD. I would love for that one to wake up. I think I'm still down on it actually. Let me see. Yeah, I'm still down like 16% on the TTD. But my portfolio is doing quite well today though, regardless. I think this one might be this might be the highest I've seen this one. I think that's just because I add money every day though, or like buy stuff every day. Nah, but no, yeah. So it's the highest like monetary value I've seen, but no, I'm still down on stuff. But yeah, whenever stuff comes back, my goodness. Okay, so Spy hit the resistance and then it kind of sold off. But honestly, when it comes to Uber and when it comes to TTD, I don't watch them close enough. Like I don't know how they move on a regular, but I was watching everything else move up like kind of wild this week, and I'm like, yo, these are not moving. I'm so I think they might have kind of like a little lag to them, maybe. Like I don't know. It seemed like the market was just moving overall. Tony, I'm taking your advice and packing it in. Have hey, you yes, have a blessed day. That is exactly what I would want for you. Like yes, enjoy your day, family. I appreciate you taking the time to be here though. Yeah. Yeah, enjoy your day off. You know, Wall Street isn't even trading today. It's like they are, but they aren't. Like the majority of people are on vacation, enjoying themselves. Yeah, this is range bound if I've ever seen it. Yeah, we're doing a very good job staying in the range, but we'll see what happens the next time we go up there. I guess. Down 21% in SMCI long term. So we were talking about like this on the I think the Zoom call on Wednesday here. Let's see. What is it? Like we identified Zoom is or not Zoom, I think it was SMCI is in a massive range. I believe. Was it SMCI? Let's zoom on out. Yeah. I think this was it. So this is an area or it's approaching an area so there is support at this kind of 30 60 level, but it can also come down as low as 28. I would say anywhere from there, short term goodbyes, or when you say short here, let's actually go up to a weekly because it's below the 200 weekly. But you looking on the weekly, uh yeah, I would say like down at this 27 or down to like 26 area, it looks like a buy. It really just depends on how long you're trying to like how much patience you have. Like what's your risk tolerance? How much can you like kind of hold out for? Cuz I think I have like the final move, the final low. It's like, oh yeah, if it comes to 17, throw it all in. But like as of right now, it is in the downtrend. It can still move down. There is support at this like 27 to 26 kind of area, but that might lead to a bounce up to maybe like 40 or so before coming down and coming to the 17 area before like or after or before going to all time highs. So it's like, oh yeah, come get it at 17, 18, and then boom, all time highs. But of course, it doesn't have to go that way. You get all sorts of catalysts and things that mess with the market structure. But if it just happens to move according to market structure on a higher time frame, that's what would happen. But you also have to realize this is the weekly time frame. You got a few moves for that to happen, and that honestly seems like something that will take years to occur. Like maybe even getting down to like that $17 area. I know SMCI is not really one that's really been too in focus lately. Yeah, so since in that situation, I would just say like, or let me read that. You said it's long term swing portfolio. I can hold out. I buy bi-weekly. It and some others. SMC is down the most. Yeah, so honestly, the only thing I would kind of like think about there is just the opportunity cost. So it's like I'm gonna be real. If it's me and if I'm like, yo, I'm gonna ride it for years, I might like potentially pause on like buying it more until it like pulls back to one of my levels, which is very close right now anyway. But it's like I might like hold off till it like pulls back to one of the levels, and then once it does, it's like, oh yeah, let me get some. All right, Spy trying to push back up. Let me check in on this meta again real quick. See if meta still. Uber's trying. It's like slowly but surely trying to do something. Oh, hold on. Meta passed my level and did I not get notified? Oh, I got notified like 38 minutes ago. I think it was when I was in the bathroom. So I didn't notice it. Pause and stack the. That's definitely something to consider. Something to consider. It's like the same way you're talking to me like this. I don't necessarily have another me to talk to. So sometimes I'm like, yo, I ask like Chat GPT, like, yo, what is wise here? You said, what about Spy? Spy is still in the range. So Spy is like the range is from about 681 to 682.30. So until it breaks that range, which I don't necessarily expect it to do, is there's not really much to say about it. But I'm definitely right here watching it. Like once again today, like wisest thing to do in my opinion, not trade today. Because we do have the market closing in like, what is it, a little under 2.5 hours? All right, up 10% on the Uber contract now. Let's get it. Oh, okay. Yeah, Meta not holding it. Yeah, Spy is very much looking like it's charging up, but I don't think it's charging up to do anything today. Spy is, it looks like it's just like ready to eat your money, eat your profits. Not really like do anything. Is $1.50 call expiring? So Fubo, in my opinion, is probably early for that, in my opinion, because Fubo looks like it's crossing into an area where it's about to come down again. So it's like I've still been waiting from that very first initial move. Here, let's see if we can get back to. In my opinion, it's early. Like I don't necessarily see anything at this. Oh, actually, hold up. There is some liquidity here that looks like it could potentially lead to 392. But for me personally, this 227 level looks better. I just see all this that we still need to fill. Here, let's look at it on a daily first. It's like honestly, this can go either way. But just looking at the trend right now, if you look on the daily, it is crossed in every direction. But honestly, looking on the daily, you got some liquidity here. And if you're looking on the daily, honestly, I say you're looking for like a 40 cent pop on it. So I think looking on the daily, I probably wouldn't get more than 3 months on the contract because otherwise it's probably not going to like actually move that much. Like you're going to overpay and then the contract's not going to really benefit. Probably going to be too far out, but it's like if you're able to actually pick it up at this level, which is where I currently have an alert setting there because it's like I still expect it to come back to that level at some point. That would be when that's a steal, but it may also just be easier to buy 100 shares. George, top of the morning. Just a heads up, today's a short day, so I'm off in like 16 minutes or so. But yeah, market closes in about 2 hours 15 minutes. Very, very welcome, Nicole. Look at Uber just trucking on, just like trekking on, still just like it's moving, but it's like it's slow and steady, slow and steady movement. So the purple line is the 200 moving average for me. I don't have my VWAP turned on any of my charts right now. I don't use VWAP that heavily. It's like I do like occasionally turn it on when I'm just curious for the day, but nah, most of the time it's not. Hey, good stuff, Patrick. Way to go. Yeah, I'm nowhere near that profit. I'm up 13%, $38, which honestly isn't bad. That's like lunch money right there. That's good. That's good. And honestly, in the account it's in, like that is I don't look for anything crazy in the account that it's in, but very welcome, very welcome. Hey, thanks for being here, Patrick. Hey, 36%. Hey, that's straight money right there. I say like honestly, if I had to like set a target for most of my trades, where I'm just like, yo, if it runs there like right away and I'm happy, it's usually like 30%. Hey, appreciate that, Patrick. Appreciate that. Hey, what's up, Yoko? Didn't even know you were in the mix today. Hey, glad to see you lurking, Yoko. All right, let's see. All right, Spy is it's trying to knock on the highs again. All right, this is like the third time. So yeah, we'll see if they decide to kind of keep the momentum. And they might do some pushing. Let me check in on Bitcoin real quick. Oh well, it's right there. I don't need to check in on it. Trying to push on the 15. All right, so we got I guess 9 minutes left on this candle. Volume is incredibly low though when you look at it. Not on the day, but it's low. Zoom back out to the 4 hour. Spy push. Potentially. Like it's trying. Did get a spike of volume on this 2-minute candle. Let's see what it looks like on a 5. But yeah, I'm gonna let you know I'm not about to take this trade because I'm about to be off in 7 minutes. But I can still talk about what it looks like. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's gonna like hold up here if I'm being honest. It could push. Just look at these hiking ashy candles. I'm not convinced though. Not convinced. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We got a red hiking ashy candle coming in. I don't think there's gonna be like momentum on this. But we got like 2.5 minutes left. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna hold up. I think we're still range bound on the day. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nah. Yep. Yeah, that's not happening. So looks like the move is to leave it alone. Almost had us there, but uh, move was to leave it. Yeah, Meta acts like it's trying. Oh, I so forgot to do something. Let's see. All right, so we got 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left for in this. Let's see. Yeah, how's Bitcoin holding up? Yeah, so my take for the day, if we don't really see anything from like Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything like that. Oh, actually, we do kind of have the dollar coming down. I'm gonna say that's bullish. That's gonna be the reason I decide to keep holding Uber, and that's gonna be the reason I decide to keep holding Uber and TTD. But yeah, with that being said, family, that's going to do it for the day. Definitely not taking any new trades today. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming out. Hope each and every one of y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. If any of y'all are Black Fridaying, be safe. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Peace out, Patrick. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Charlie the GOAT 266. Peace out, CCAA Corner 4646. What else we got in here? Let's see. Peace out, Nicole. Peace out, Kong. Peace out, Tony Matt. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Avia. Peace out, Eddie. Yeah. Hey, peace out, Dominique. Yeah, you have a good weekend as well. I'm gonna try to like heal up. I'm not 100% right now, but yeah, I'm gonna try to heal up. But yeah, y'all have a blessed weekend, blessed day. Yeah, let's hope we take off to the moon. Catch y'all, family.